हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल। आज के हमारा वीडियो का टॉपिक है रिएक्टेंस रिले के बारे में। पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा था इम्पीडेंस रिले के बारे में और मॉडिफाइड इम्पीडेंस रिले के बारे में। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिएक्टेंस रिले। व्हाट इज़ रिएक्टेंस रिले? एट्स नेम इंडिकेट्स रिएक्टेंस मीन्स रिएक्टेंस रिले मेजर द रिएक्टेंस ऑफ द लाइन एट द रिले location. So it is not affected by the variation of resistance. Means if the resistance is variation is in the resistance, then the reactance of the line of the relay location does not vary, does not affect. So hence the performance remains unaffected by the arc resistance during the occurrence of the faults. So in the case of fault on the protected line, the measured reactance is the reactance of the line between the relay location and the fault points. So their characteristics on the RX diagram is a straight line and parallel to the R axis. So here you can see that this is the R and this is the X axis. So here you can see that there is a zone. You can see that in this figure, this is R axis and this is X axis. So here the parallel line is, that is 80% of their, that is zone 1, and this is zone 2 and this is zone 3, and this is the 50% and this is 25%. So most of the time there is a objective question related to that topic, and that is the zone 1 is the 80% and 50%, and last is the zone 3 is the 25%. The question comes from this area. So this is the important one. And the next is that in this relay the operating torque is obtained by the current and the restraining torque is obtained due to the current voltage directional element. So this is the reactance relay. And next is the operating principle of the reactance relay. So the operating principle of the reactance relay means the directional element is that, so design that maximum torque angle is 90 degree. So we know that the equation of torque, universal torque equation, that is T is equal to, what is that? K1 I square minus K3 VI cos theta minus tau, where the angle is 90 degree. So T is equal to K1 I square minus K3 VI cos theta minus 90. So we can write like this, that is torque is equal to K1 I square minus K3 VI cos theta minus 90, that is 90 degree. So sin cos theta minus 90 means sin theta. So this is the torque equation. This is the torque equation. So for the operation of the relay, operation of the relay means K1 I square should be greater than the K3 VI sin theta. So VI sin theta upon I square should be less than equal to less than K1 K3. So this means this is cancelled. So V upon I Z sin theta less than K1 K3. So means Z into sin theta. What is the sin theta? Less than K1 K3. So according to the triangle, what is that? This is R angle theta x and z. So here we can write like this, that is z into sine theta value, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we can write like this, x upon z less than equal to less than is k1 k3. So that is x is less than k1 k3. That is the condition. So in the operating principle, operating characteristics, the graph is that is r axis and this is minus r axis. So below this region there is the trip. So operating characteristic is this: below this region, that is trip, and above this region is the blocking region. So this is the operating characteristics of the reactance relay. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel Basic Electrical.